Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. Today I need to update the maps on Sue's Mazda. So as you know, I did it on the Dodge. Her car is a 2015 Mazda CX-5. And for those of you with this type of system, this might be helpful. So I'm going to show you how to update the maps. I already did it on hers, and I did have run into some issues, and I'll show you the issues that I had. But when I took the chip out of here to put the map software on, I didn't have enough room, so they have you archive it onto your PC. I did that. I moved a lot of the voice. She had a custom voice on there, comedian. So I want to put that back on. So I'm going to show you how the system works and how you would update the maps. It's the same thing. And at the same time, I might put some new voice on here for her. I might surprise her. First thing you should do is go in here. The main menu, settings, status info, version information. Just take a photo of this right here so that you have this in there. But this is what the system looks like. The map software is over here to the left of the dashboard. Just slide this over. Little chip right there, press it, pops out. And you're gonna put this on your PC, let it do the auto run. It'll install some software. You're gonna run the software. It'll take you to a TomTom webpage. Make sure you have your TomTom account, your login, username and password set before you go ahead and do this. All right, and let's rock and roll. So you're gonna need one of these things here to put the chip in so that you can plug it in on your PC on the USB port. There is a Write Protect on here. Just want to show you I'm not in Write Protect mode right now. So this little button here is pushed towards the end. It's pushed that way. Because you can see if you move it the other way, you can see if I can focus on it. That way to the right is lock, to the left is unlock. So just make sure it's unlocked. Before you go, let me get logged in here and I'll show you what happens. So we'll just plug that in. Listen. Mine gives me this error. It says there's a problem, but then it loads up the software. So go figure. I don't know. So, okay. So there's this thing called TomTom Home. I think it's going to launch automatically. Let's see if it comes up. So here it says install TomTom Home, but she already has it installed. So I'm just going to open it. I'll minimize this. This is 221. Getting updates automatically. It'll let me know. It let me know if there's any kind of bug fixes or updates or anything like that. So I hit the back button and let me do it again. I went back to this menu and I said update my Mazda navigation system. So I selected that. And it looks like there's some sort of update here. So I'm going to say update and install. Say OK. And that's done. Let me see about my voices here. See if I can do it all at once. Voices. Recorded voices. This is the one she had. This is the comedian guy, John Cleese. So I'm going to add him back in. Copied that to the chip. Let's go back. Let's see if there's any other voices I can add in here. No, I think that's it for now. So anyway, if you want to do the maps, you're going to go purchase maps. You're going to select, see, this is the one I already installed, so it's already there. You'll say buy. It'll take you to, you know, PayPal or whatever. And then, you know, you purchase it, and then on the PayPal page you go back and it takes you here. And if you try to install it on the chip, it's going to say, hey, it doesn't have enough room. It'll want you to offload your map software that you currently have on it to your hard drive, and then it'll download it and put it on the chip. So anyway, so that's it. I'm pretty much done here on this right here. And I'm just going to hit this button to let me eject it. I say OK. No device connected. Go ahead and close that. Pull out the chip. And then we'll go to the car. I'll just drop the thing here. Dash cam.
Event detection recording 1 occurred.
Show the main menu. Settings. Status info. Version information. Done. So that when you update it, you'll know if you update it. The other thing I do is I just look for something that's kind of new. These map softwares, they used to say 2019, 2020, summer of 2021. They don't do that anymore. I don't think these things are very updated, I'll be honest with you. The roads don't change all that much, but the point of interest really do, so, you know. Anyway, so I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to the main menu. I'm going to see if I can set her John Cleese again. And I'm going to go to main menu, settings, voices. Hopefully he's here now. If I did this right. Oh, I don't see him here. Where is he? Oh, there he is, yeah. John Cleese.
Hello, this is John Cleese, and you'll want to know if this is really John Cleese, so I'm going to ask my mother if it's me. Mother, is this me? Oh, yes. Okay. So, there we have it. A genuine John Cleese here, frightfully good at navigation, beautiful speaking voice. Please press this button because I'm very old and I need the money.
So he's pretty funny. I had Homer Simpson on my Garmin for a while. But anyway, she's going to be happy to hear that. So yeah, that's it. I updated her maps. Now, if I was updating the maps here for you on this video, it would take a little while. You'll see that bar graph go across. It doesn't take long to offload it to your hard drive, but it does take a long time for it to download. Even if you have a fast internet connection, I don't think they got that much bandwidth, or they got this thing throttled way back over at their headquarters, because it took a while for it to download the software and put it on the chip. But anyway, so that's the thing. The thing that you need to take away from this video is that you might get that error message when you put it in. Just ignore it, wait, it pops up, shows it, give it a second. It might launch. install that the software, and you'll be good to go. Make sure you're get a TomTom account in there that you can log in first. There's like 0 ways to reach these people via the phone. You can't call them anymore. You used to be able to call and get support. Those days are gone. Customer no service. You're on your own. I take no responsibility on you screwing up your system here. Do this at your own risk, and hope you have good luck. It worked out for me. It's just that I don't do it very often, so I thought maybe just me showing you this might help you guys, because it'll ring a bell. Gosh, her car needs to be cleaned. All right, thanks for watching. If this helped, please give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe if you want to see other car stuff, and on gadget stuff too. Take care.